Unlock your Canon EOS 250d's full cinematic potential, transforming everyday moments into stunning video. First, rotate your camera's mode dial to the movie record setting, which is typically represented by a small video camera icon. Once in movie mode, press the AF method button on your screen to choose your autofocus mode. For most situations, we recommend Face Tracking Plus Tracking or Flexi Zone AF for their versatility. Now, press the Q button on the back of your camera. Navigate to movie rec size to select your desired resolution and frame rate. Full HD at 25 or 30 frames per second is a great starting point for high-quality, smooth footage. Next, adjust your white balance to ensure accurate colors. You can select a preset like daylight for outdoor shooting or cloudy on an overcast day, or manually set it for precise control. Pay attention to your ISO speed. Keep it as low as possible for clean video, especially in bright conditions, to avoid noisy footage. With your settings optimized, simply press the dedicated video record button, usually located on the top plate of your camera, to start and stop recording your cinematic moments. Remember, practice makes perfect. Experiment with different angles, lighting, and camera movements to discover your unique videography style.